Jute and Toy Craft Story. Here is a sweet story about twig and jute craft. Crafting is not only about making something beautiful, it can also be a peaceful way to relax, focus our thoughts, and enjoy a little quiet time. When we work with simple natural materials like twig and jute, we slow down and give our minds a break from busy routines and screens. Twig and jute craft are also a wonderful way to recycle and reuse simple materials instead of throwing them away. A few little small twigs, some jute, and a little creativity can become something truly beautiful. And today I want to share a little Xmas story with you. One chilly December morning, Emma was looking around her home, getting ready for Xmas. She wanted to decorate her home, but she did not want to expend a lot of money. While walking outside, she noticed a few fallen twigs on the ground. She picked them up and smiled. Then she found some jute at home. Suddenly she had an idea. What if I turn these simple things into a Xmas decoration? She carefully arranged the twigs in the shape of a little Xmas tree. Then she wrapped soft jute around the branches. She added a few handmade stars and tiny decoration. Slowly, something magical appeared. What had once been simple fallen twigs had become a beautiful little Xmas tree. Emma placed it beside her Xmas lights. The warm lights made the jute glow softly, and the little twig through looked cozy and special. Her family loved it. Her mother smiled and said, "Sometimes the simplest things can become the most beautiful." Emma realized something that day. She did not need expensive decorations to make her home feel special. She only needed imagination, patience, and a little creativity. And then she had another idea. What if I make more and share them with other people? She started creating a small twig and jute Xmas decoration. She made wall hangings, mini Xmas trees, stars, ornaments, and little rustic decorations. Soon her friends and neighbors began asking if they could busy buy some. That's how a simple creative hobby slowly become a small handmade business. And this is the beautiful things about crafting. You can start small. You don't need a big workshop or expensive equipment. You can begin with simple materials, create something unique, take beautiful pictures, and share your work with people who appreciate handmade products. Your hobby can become your little business, your creativity can become your skill, and your skill can become an opportunity. So, this expects before throwing away those fallen twigs or unused pieces of jute, take a second look at them. Maybe there is a beautiful decoration hiding inside. Maybe there is a new idea waiting to be created, and maybe, just maybe, there is a little business waiting to begin. Because crafting is not just about making things, it is about creating with your hands, relaxing your minds, caring for the environment, and turning simple materials into something meaningful. So let's pick up those twigs, grab your jute, turn on the Xmas lights, and create a little Xmas magic of your own. Merry Xmas and happy crafting! Why not? If I'm telling you one more story. So, if you want to know more about craft benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You know, sometimes the most beautiful Xmas decoration don't come from a store. Sometimes they begin more something very simple, a few foreign twigs, a little piece of jute, and a heart full of creativity. Crafting can be a wonderful, mindful activity. When we sit down and create something with our hands, we give ourselves a chance to slow down, concentrate on one peaceful activity, and enjoy the moment. Working with natural materials like twigs and jute can make crafting feels even more special, and the best part, we can reuse materials that might otherwise be thrown away. Let me tell you a little Xmas story. A young girl named Lily was getting ready for Xmas with her family. The house was already decorated with lights, ornaments, and beautiful Xmas tree. But Lily wanted to make something with her own hands. She walked outside and noticed some small fallen twigs near a tree. She picked them up one by one. They don't look very special, she thought, but then she smiled. Maybe I can make something beautiful from them. She she brought the twigs inside. In a craft box, she found some natural jute. She placed the twigs on the table and started arranging them. One by one, she created the shape of a little Xmas tree. Then she carefully tied the pieces together with jute. At first, it didn't look perfect. One twig was too long, another one was slightly crooked. Little almost gave up. Lily almost gave up. But then she remembered something her grandmother always told her. She adds some button for embellishment. Beautiful things don't have to be perfect. They just have to be made with love. So Lily continued. Add some more beautiful old pieces which you already have at home, like buttons and a pearl. She trimmed a few twigs, tied more jute, and added a tiny handmade star at the top. Then she decorated the little tree with small pieces of ribbons and simple ornaments. She added some threads, she added some yarn, added pom pom, added colors. Finally, she placed the warm Xmas light behind it. Lily stepped back and her eyes became bright. The simple twig had become a beautiful rustic Xmas tree. Her mother walked into the room. "Oh, Lily, where did you get this beautiful decoration?" Lily proudly said, "I made it from fallen twigs and jute." Her mother smiled. "It is beautiful because you gave something simple a new life." That evening, Lily placed her little tree near the window. The Xmas lights inside were glowing, and the tiny handmade tree looked magical.